Network modernization promises scale, but the performance is won or lost much earlier. As telecom networks evolve to handle unpredictable demand, even minor data inconsistencies can quietly move through planning, permitting, and deployment. They stay invisible until the moment performance is tested, and then it shows up fast. Inconsistent customer experience, rollout delays, and rising costs. The difference lies in catching what others miss early. Cyient's Network Data Validation Toolkit is built to do exactly that. Backed by over 3 decades of telecom engineering expertise, it brings intelligence into the workflow, validating design accuracy, constructability, and regulatory compliance across the entire network lifecycle. With 20+ automated pre-checks and 25+ validation checks, it flags geometry mismatches, connectivity gaps, and rule violations upstream, where they are faster and cheaper to fix. Beyond validation, it automates verification, correction, cleansing, and reconciliation through data-driven scripts, an ML-assisted rule-based framework, and RPA. The impact is measurable: 25 to 40% reduction in rework, 20 to 30% higher permitting success, 60 to 80% faster validation cycles, and 30 to 50% improvement in first-pass GIS acceptance. Because high-performing networks don't happen at rollout. They are engineered into the data from day one.